In 2025, something remarkable is happening. For the first time in history, a single skill can multiply your income, transform your career, and unlock opportunities that didn't exist even a year ago. That skill is understanding how to work with artificial intelligence, not compete against it. AI isn't taking all the jobs, but people who understand AI are taking all the opportunities. So here are the AI skills that can make you rich in 2025, skills anyone can start learning, skills that will define the next decade. Number 1. Prompt engineering and AI workflow design. The ability to communicate with AI is becoming the new literacy. People who can turn simple ideas into structured instructions for AI models are earning premium salaries. Freelancers who master this skill are charging high rates because businesses need people who know how to get results from AI. This isn't about coding, it's about clarity, creativity, and strategy. Number 2. AI content production, YouTube automation, blog creation, marketing campaigns, social media branding. AI is changing everything. Those who know how to generate videos, scripts, graphics, and full digital content systems using AI are building entire businesses from a laptop. You don't need a team or a studio. You just need the knowledge to combine the right tools. Number 3. Automation and AI agents. This is one of the highest income skills in the AI world. Companies are paying thousands of dollars for automated workflows that save time and boost profit. If you can build AI agents that handle tasks automatically or streamline a company's daily operations, you instantly become valuable. A single person who automates 10 hours of daily work is worth more than an entire team. Number 4. AI data analysis and smart decision making. Data drives every industry, but data is useless without insight. AI can analyze patterns, forecast trends, and reveal opportunities, but someone needs to interpret and apply that information. People who can read, understand, and act on AI-generated insights are getting hired faster than ever. This skill works in finance, marketing, business strategy, and tech. Number 5. Building your own AI tools. You no longer need to be a programmer to build powerful AI applications. Low-code and no-code platforms now allow anyone to create chatbots, assistants, and small AI products and sell them online. Many entrepreneurs are already earning income from tools they built with simple AI platforms. This is creativity meeting opportunity. These AI skills are not futuristic. They're happening right now. And the best part is that anyone, from any background, can start learning them today. No degree, no gatekeepers, no permission required. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. It helps the channel grow and brings more people into this world where opportunity belongs to those who innovate, adapt, and take action. The future isn't waiting, and neither should you.